Today, I finally got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6. I was eagerly waiting to check this out in person, and here it is. Let's take a quick look at what this device has to offer and why I still have some reservations about upgrading. First impressions. The design tweaks are noticeable. The Galaxy Fold 6 is shorter, wider, and slimmer, making it much more ergonomic and easier to handle. The cover display is slightly larger at 6.3 inches, which is an improvement, but I still think it should be even wider. A 6.5-inch cover display like the Vivo Fold 3 would feel much more natural and comfortable to hold. The display quality is top-notch. Both screens are incredibly bright, going up to 2600 nits, and they offer a smooth 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Whether you're watching videos or just browsing, the experience is fantastic. The hinge feels robust and smooth, which is a significant improvement for everyday use. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Fold 6 features a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultrawide sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. While the AI enhancements make photos look great, the hardware is still the same as last year's model, which is a bit disappointing for those hoping for a significant upgrade in camera quality. And for me, that's the biggest deal breaker. Another point of concern is the front-facing camera. Despite the premium feel of the device, the front camera quality feels outdated. It's not up to the standards I expect from a high-end phone in this price range. Also, one of the biggest letdowns for me is that there's still no place to house the S Pen. For a device this versatile, having a dedicated slot for the S Pen would have been ideal, especially for tasks like annotating and drawing. All in all, the Galaxy Fold 6 brings some solid improvements and feels great in hand. However, with the unchanged camera setup, the lack of a slot for the S Pen, and a cover display that I believe should be wider than 6.3 inches, it's not a must-have upgrade for me. What are your thoughts on the new Fold 6? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.